Imagine a world where colors speak, where a single line can sing, and a painting becomes a symphony. This is the world of Wassily Kandinsky, the man who taught colors to dance. Born in Moscow in 1866, Kandinsky first walked the path of law and economics. But art, like a distant melody, kept calling. One evening in 1895, he saw Monet's Haystacks. It wasn't the subject that moved him, it was the color itself. He said it was as if the painting had no object, only pure, living color. Soon, he left his career behind and moved to Munich to follow the music of paint. In Munich, Kandinsky began to experiment. He blended folklore with impressionism, symbolism with geometry. In 1911, together with Franz Marc, he founded Der Blaue Reiter, the Blue Rider. It wasn't a group, but a vision, art as a spiritual language beyond words. Kandinsky believed that color could touch the soul, like music touches the ear. Yellow was radiant and restless. Blue was deep and spiritual. Each line, each shade, a note in a cosmic composition. By 1913, Kandinsky made the leap no one had dared before. He painted without objects, pure abstraction. Shapes floated freely, colors clashed and harmonized, like a symphony without a script. With works like Composition 7, Kandinsky moved beyond depiction, aiming instead to provoke a feeling, a response, a vibration within the viewer. He called it inner necessity, the soul's urge to express itself through form and color. After the Russian Revolution, Kandinsky's journey took him to Germany's Bauhaus, a school where art met architecture and design. Here, he taught generations how to see the invisible structure behind form. Even as the world around him descended into chaos, his paintings remained vibrant, like songs against the storm. Kandinsky died in 1944, but his colors never fell silent. Today, they still sing, on walls, in minds, in every brushstroke that dares to be free. In his world, every shape carried a note, every color a voice, and the canvas was never silent.